Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set an alarm for today on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one today is go ahead and locate and open the clock app. Now select alarms, click on the plus button. Go ahead and set the alarm for the time you want the alarm to ring today. So let's say you want to set the alarm to 5:30 p.m. today. Make sure repeat is set to never repeat. And then select the alarm sound. Turn on or turn off snooze. If you don't want to snooze, just turn this off. And then check. Then you should see the alarm set for today only. You see that? So the alarm is not going to repeat. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to set an alarm for today on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.